How to start Buffalo Wild Wings pickup order. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily start the pickup order on Buffalo Wild Wings. Let's dive right in. You need to head over to any browser and then go to the Buffalo Wild Wings official website, and then you'll need to go to your location in the top right, and here you can see it is already set to pickup location. This is how it is set on default. Now you can tap on start pickup order. You can put in your pickup date and pickup time first and then tap on it. And then now you can just tap on the things that you want to order. You can see various meal options, and then you can tap on add to bag. You can even increase or decrease the quantity. So it's as simple as that to start pickup order in Buffalo Wild Wings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.